So I want to share with you guys the contents of the Open Book Build kit. We've included our contracting kit used to hire subcontractors and suppliers, which includes our bid sheets, which tells our contractors how to break down their bids. We also share our scope of work and specifications, which tells each vendor exactly what work needs to be done. And we've included these for all the major building activities to build the home. We've also included a sample subcontract that can be used for all the vendor agreements. And this contracting kit is used for getting bids, for your contractor agreements, and then for referencing during the build out. Our detailed budget shares all the material and labor line items for building the structure. We also share our detailed schedule that was used when we build the house, keeping everything on track until the house is done, from footings through to final paint. Our product selection sheet breaks down all the model numbers and color selections for everything you see in this home. The Open Book Build Kit even has all the material quantity takeoffs for all the major activities for building this house, from lumber material all the way through to cabinet takeoffs. Need to know how many sheets of tongue and groove subfloor sheathing there are? Check the lumber takeoff. And the unique thing about the Open Book Build Kit are these are the actual resources we used to build this house.